Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change your email in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to change the email but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right on it without any delays. Just go ahead and open your Steam app first. Once you're in this page, just look at the top right corner where you can see a question mark button. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you would be in this page. Now you can see all the different types of options. So in order to change the email, you just need to tap on account details, since an email is a detail of your account. So just wait for it to load. So you're here in account details. So just scroll down till you find manage email preferences, change my email, and add a phone number. So you can see the change my email address right there. Just go ahead and tap here. So now you just need to choose how you would like to change your email. So you can choose through verification code, or you can just go and tap on I no longer have access to this email if you don't have access to your current email. So now you just need to answer some security questions in order to change your email if you don't remember your email. But if you want to go through a different route, just go ahead and tap on verification code option, and now your email has been sent a code. Just go ahead and check your email. It should be right there. Now just copy the code that you have been sent and paste it right here. Tap on continue, and now a new page is being loaded. Just wait for it. So it may take some time, but it should be right here. So guys, you're here. So now you can see the change my email address option. Now just select or type your new email, and once you do so, just go ahead and tap on change email, and in this way you would successfully be able to change your email in Steam. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.